reason why I came across Techman Robot is there is one of my favorite artists, international favorite artists, that he is using Techman Robot quite a few times. That I found that the movement is pretty much close to my imagination. And this time here in Taiwan, that joining the Taoyuan Art and Tech festival that work with Techman Robots, TM Robot, I thought that I should have to spend quite a lot of time, at least a week, of learning. But I find that the backend system is quite user-friendly. So the user-friendly backend system, which is quite supportive for art creation, at least for me as an artist.